Question number 4. Based on the adjacent angle, name the pair of adjacent angle in the figure below. Here write down name the pair of the adjacent angle. This is the figure 1 and this is the figure 2. So write here pair of adjacent angle. In this figure, here three angles are here: angle AEB, angle BEC, and angle CED. Angle AED, angle AEC, and angle BED. So here are 6 angles are made here. So write down here the pair of adjacent angle. The first pair is angle AEB and angle BEC. These two angles are adjacent angle because here BE is a common arm and these two angles have the separate interior. So these two angles are the adjacent angle. The second pair is angle AEB and angle BED. These two are also adjacent angles. See, AEB and BED. These two angles, ABE and BED. These two angles are also adjacent angles because BE is a common arm and these two angles have the separate interiors. The third pair is angle BEC and angle CED. Angle BEC and angle CED. In this between two angles, CE is a common arm, E is a common vertex, and these two angles, that is angle BEC and angle CED, these two angles have the separate interiors. So these two angles are the adjacent angles. Now fourth one, angle CED and angle AEC. Angle CED and angle AEC. These two angles have the common arm CE, common vertex E, and these two angles means these arms AE and CD are opposite to the common arms, and also these two angles are the separate interiors. So these angles are the adjacent angles. Let's see the second figure. In this figure also find out the adjacent angles. Write down the pair of adjacent angles. See, angle USR and angle UST. USR and UST, these two angles are the adjacent angle because US is a common arm, S is a common vertex, and these two angles having the separate interior. In this figure, only one pair is the adjacent angle. See here, angle RSU and angle RTV. This SR is a common arm, but there is no common vertex, so these two are not adjacent angle. So in this figure only one pair is there of adjacent angle. See the question number 5. In the adjoining figure, some pairs are given here. From these following pairs are adjacent angles. If not, then state the reason. Let's see the first angle. Angle PTQ and angle QTR. Are they adjacent angle? Yes, because QT is a common arm and T is a common vertex. So PTQ and QTR are adjacent angle. Let's see the second figure. Angle PTQ and angle PTS. This angle PTQ and this whole angle PTS. Are they adjacent angles? No. What is the reason? In angle PTQ and angle PTS, there is a common arm of PT, common vertex also T, but these two angles are not a separate interior. Angle PTQ and angle PTS are not adjacent angle because they don't have separate interior. See the third pair, angle RTS and angle PTQ. See this angle RTS and this angle PTQ. Are they two angles are adjacent? No. What is the reason? In angle PTQ and angle RTS, there is a common vertex T, but there is no common arm. They don't have common arm. So therefore, angle RTS and angle PTQ are not adjacent angle. Because in these two angles there is a common vertex, there are the separate interiors, but they don't have the common arm. Now next question. Find out complementary angle of 10 degree. Let's assume first the complementary angle. Let's complementary angle be x degree. And as per our definition, the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, then these angles are complementary, means x plus 10 is equal to 90 degree. Here 10 is plus, if they comes to the right side of equal to sign, they become minus. So x is equal to 90 minus 10, so x is equal to 80 degree. It means 80 degree is a complementary angle of 10 degree. You can solve like this also. X plus 10 is equal to 90. Here is plus, so minus 10 from the both side. Plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled. So x is equal to 90 minus 10, that is 80 degree. So homework is equal to, your today's homework is the practice set 15 and 16. Solve practice set 15 and 16. This is your today's homework.